Hello and welcome to Language Lesson Hub, the podcast where learning languages becomes fun, easy, and exciting. I'm your host, Nick, and today we're kicking off with English. Whether you're here to master English, Spanish, Italian, or Portuguese, this is the place to start. Each episode, we break down languages step by step, share practical tips, and help you speak with confidence. Let's dive in and start your English journey today.
Hello, Nick, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm Judy, and I am so excited to be here.
It's great to have you, Judy. In today's episode number 3, we are diving into a really useful English tense, the present continuous.
Ooh, I love the present continuous. It's all about action, and it's something we use every single day. So for everyone listening, what exactly is it?
That's the perfect question. The present continuous is the tense we use to talk about actions that are happening right now, at this very moment.
Exactly. Like right now, I am talking to you.
And I am smiling. And to our listeners, you are listening to our podcast. See, all these things are happening right now.
It's like a live-action movie. So how do we build it? What's the magic formula?
The magic formula is simple and has 3 parts. First, you need a subject. That's the person or thing doing the action, like I, you, or the dog.
Subject. Got it.
Second, you need the right form of the verb to be. For the present tense, that's am, is, or are.
Right. This is super important. Am is only for I, so I am. Is for singular subjects like he, she, it, or the cat. So he is, she is.
And are?
Are is for you, we, and they, and for any plural subjects like the children or my friends. You are, we are, they are.
Perfect. So we have the subject and we have the be verb. What's the third and final part, Judy?
The final part is the action verb, but with a special ending, ing. We call this the present participle. So talk becomes talking, eat becomes eating, and learn becomes
learning. So let's put it all together. Subject plus am is are plus verb ing. Let's try one. If the subject is I and the verb is read.
I am reading.
Excellent. What if the subject is he and the verb is cook?
He is cooking. Maybe he is cooking dinner.
Yum! And one more. The subject is they and the verb is play.
They are playing. Maybe they are playing soccer in the park.
See, it's fun. Now, there are a couple of little spelling rules when we add ing to verbs. They're pretty easy. Judy, you want to take the first one?
Of course. The first rule is for verbs that end in the letter E, like make or dance. When you add ing, the E goes away. It disappears.
Poof! Gone.
Exactly. So make becomes M-A-K-I-N-G, making, no E. Dance becomes D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing. I am dancing right now.
I can hear you shuffling your feet. Okay, the second rule is for short one-syllable verbs that end in a consonant, then a vowel, then a consonant. Like the verb run, R-U-N, consonant, vowel, consonant.
Ah, the CVC rule. Consonant, vowel, consonant. What happens there?
For these verbs, you double the last consonant before adding ing. So run becomes R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running, 2 N's. Another example is swim.
Swim, S-W-I-M, consonant, vowel, consonant. So we double the M. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming. He is swimming in the ocean.
You've got it. For most other verbs, you just add ing. No tricks. Watch becomes watching. Sing becomes singing.
Okay, I think our listeners are getting it. Let's imagine a scene. I am looking out my window right now. What do I see?
Great idea. Describe what's happening, Judy.
Okay, I can see the sun. The sun is shining. A man is walking his dog. Some birds are flying in the sky. And a neighbor is watering her flowers.
That's fantastic. Let's break that down. The sun is shining. Sun is one thing, so we use is. Shine ends at E, so we drop it and add ing. Perfect.
Right. A man is walking his dog. One man, so is, and we just add ing to walk.
Some birds are flying. Birds is plural, more than one, so we use are. Simple. This is a great exercise for our listeners. Just look around you, wherever you are, and try to make a sentence about what is happening.
That's a perfect practice tip. But what if something isn't happening? How do we say no?
Making a negative sentence is incredibly easy. All you do is add the word not after the be verb.
Just one little word?
That's it. So, I am reading becomes I am not reading. For example, I am not sleeping right now. I am talking to you.
And he is cooking becomes he is not cooking. We can also shorten that to he isn't cooking. Isn't is just is not squished together.
Those short forms are called contractions, and we use them all the time in casual conversation. The same goes for are not. It becomes
Aren't. They are playing becomes they are not playing or they aren't playing. Maybe it started raining.
exactly. The children aren't playing outside because it is raining. See? We just used two present continuous sentences, one positive and one negative.
Okay, so we can say what is happening and we can say what isn't happening. What about asking questions?
Another easy one. To make a question, you just swap the subject and the be verb. You switch their places.
So the statement you are listening becomes are you listening?
Precisely. And the answer would be yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Let's try another one. She is working. How do we make that a question?
Is she were to?
Perfect. They are studying becomes
Are they studying?
you're a natural, Judy. And this leads us to our final and maybe most useful point, using the present continuous to start a conversation.
Oh, this is so practical. How can we do that?
The most common way is with a simple question. What are you doing? It's a friendly and easy way to ask someone about their current activity.
That makes sense. It's a perfect conversation starter. Let's try it. Nick, what are you doing?
I'm teaching English on a podcast with my amazing co-host. What are you doing?
I'm having a lot of fun explaining the present continuous. You can also ask about what someone is reading or watching or listening to. For example, that music sounds nice. What are you listening to?
Or, that book looks interesting. What are you reading? It shows you're paying attention and are interested in the other person.
Exactly. It opens the door for a longer chat. They might say, I'm reading a fantasy novel. It's about dragons. And now you have something new to talk about.
Wow, time has flown by. I think that's a pretty comprehensive look at the present continuous. Shall we do a quick recap? But wait, there's more. The present continuous isn't just for things happening this very second. It has a few other cool uses that make it even more powerful.
Let's do it. Ooh, a bonus level? I love it. What other secret powers does the present continuous have?
Okay, everyone, remember, use the present continuous for actions happening right now.
The formula is subject plus the verb to be, am, is, or are, plus your main verb with an enging ending.
To make it negative, add not after am, is, or are.
And to ask a question, just switch the subject and the be verb.
And that's it. Your homework, if you choose to accept it, is to use it today. Describe what you, your family, or your friends are doing. Or try starting a conversation with, "What are you doing?"
You'll be surprised how much you use it. Thank you all for listening. We are hoping you had a great time.
That's all from us here at Language Lesson Hub. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.